Jared Joseph Leto, born December 26, 1971, is an American actor and musician. After starting his career with television appearances in the early 1990s, Leto achieved recognition for his role as Jordan Catalano on the television series My So-Called Life. 1994, he made his film debut in How to Make an American Quilt. 1995, and received critical praise for his performance in Prefontaine. 1997, Leto played supporting roles in The Thin Red Line. 1998, Fight Club and Girl, Interrupted. 1999, and American Psycho. 2000, as well as the lead role in Urban Legend. 1998, and earned critical acclaim after portraying heroin addict Harry Goldfarb in Requiem for a Dream. 2000, he later began focusing increasingly on his music career, returning to acting with Panic Room. 2002, Alexander. 2004, Lord of War. 2005, Lonely Hearts. 2006, Chapter 27. 2007, and Mr. Nobody. 2009. In 2012, he directed the documentary film Artifact. He then appeared in Suicide Squad. 2016, and Blade Runner 2049. 2017, Leto's performance as a transgender woman in Dallas Buyers Club. 2013, earned him an Academy Award, a Golden Globe Award, and a Screen Actors Guild Award for Best Supporting Actor. In 2021, Leto played serial killer Albert Sparmer in John Lee Hancock's film The Little Things, which earned him nominations for a Golden Globe Award and Screen Actors Guild Award, both for Best Supporting Actor. Leto is considered to be a method actor, known for his constant devotion to and research of his roles. He often remains completely in character for the duration of the shooting schedules of his films, even to the point of adversely affecting his health. He is also known to be selective about his film roles. Leto is the lead vocalist, multi-instrumentalist and main songwriter for 30 Seconds to Mars, a band he formed in 1998 in Los Angeles, California, with his older brother Shannon Leto. Their debut album, 30 Seconds to Mars, the band has sold over 15 million albums worldwide. Leto has also directed music videos, including the MTV Video Music Award-winning The Kill. 2006, Kings and Queens. 2009, and Up in the Air. 2013.